So to do the crochet cast on, we're going to have a slip knot on our hook with a tail long enough to weave in. We're going to place the yarn underneath our knitting needle, and we're going to yarn over from right to left with our crochet hook, and we're going to pull through the loop on our hook. Pointing down gets you through easier. Then take your tail, bring it around to the back of your needle again, and do the same. So if you point it toward your stitch, you'll get through that a lot easier with your crochet hook. You're going to continue this for the amount of cast on stitches minus 1. So if it's calling for 6 cast on stitches, you're going to do 5, and then your last stitch, you're going to pull out your loop and place that loop on your needle. This is going to also called the bind off cast on because the edge it gives you looks like your bind off edge. It gives you that nice braided edge. So that is the crochet cast on. I'm Deja with knitandcrocheteverafter.com, and thank you for watching.